Apple pies, a no-bake dessert, simple and super quick to prepare. Good morning, I am Viti, this is Grandma's Kitchen, and today we bring you another amazing dessert. This time I saw it on a website called Beatrice's Kitchen, which is excellent. So go through that website because it has a lot of recipes, and also many are original. You won't find them anywhere else. It's a sweet made from bread and apple, incredible apple pastries, super easy to make, and they're really good. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 4 apples will do, any kind, whichever you prefer. 50 grams of sugar, about 4 tablespoons, 2 cinnamon sticks if they are large, 1 will do if not. 4 eggs for the batter. If they are large, 3 will be enough. 50 grams of butter. Bread slices, 2 for each little cake. In my case, I'm going to make 4 little cakes, so 8. A tablespoon of honey, very good. Sunflower oil for frying. If you are a die-hard fan of olive oil, I recommend that you use a mild one. And then, for the final touch of the recipe, sugar. And cinnamon. We will sprinkle this on the dessert, making it amazingly delicious. As always, I remind you that I also leave the ingredients well detailed below in the text box. And if not, you already know, hit pause, grab a paper and pen, and take notes directly from the screen. This time the ingredients are super easy. We start the recipe. First step, peel the apples and chop them into cubes. Cubes like for making a compote. Here it goes. And we're going to keep peeling and chopping until we have our 4 apples ready. Don't worry if you end up with some leftover apple because you can use it for another dessert or eat it as is. Add the butter to the bottom of a pot. We'll wait for it to melt and we're going to add our apple. The apple that we've cut into small pieces, add it in. And on the go, we're going to be adding other ingredients. First, add in the sugar. Very good. We also want our cinnamon sticks, our cinnamon branches, and the honey. There goes an incredible touch of sweetness with this supernatural product. Now we're going to mix it and we're going to cook for 10 minutes. We stir, we don't add any water because we don't want a compote, but we want it to be thicker. So when we blend it, we get a puree that allows us to fill the bread and it turns out super good. There it goes. 10 minutes of cooking and we will have it ready soon. We will remove the cinnamon sticks as soon as we have the cooked apple there. There it goes. The time has passed. We take out the apple. If it has too much liquid, I recommend that you remove it and we pass the apple through the blender until we get a puree. Without lumps. And very well blended. There it goes. We keep giving it. I think it's perfect. Since it has neither skins nor hearts, the truth is that it turns out super fine. Let's see, it goes like this. With this, we are going to fill the breads. Fantastic. We continue. Let's go with the sandwich bread. We are going to make some circles. In my case, I am going to use one of these large glasses. You can use these metal pieces that are used for pasta or whatever. With whatever you get, these circles all the same. We will reserve the rest of the bread and use it for something else. For example, for a bread pudding, a bread flan. Come on! And so on until 8 because I'm going to make 4 cupcakes. The truth is that I have enough apple for many more. We could make at least 10 or 12, but well, this is enough. We add a tablespoon of apple. We seal it with another one. And I'm gonna give it a touch like this with the fork on the bread because it ends up with a very cool shape. And also, We help to seal it so that the apple doesn't come out in the following steps. There it goes, 1 to 0 next. A heaping spoonful of apple. I don't add too much because that way it won't open up during frying. If you want, you can add a little more and take a risk. Alright, we have the eggs beaten and now we're just going to move on. The bread filled with apple through the beaten egg. There it goes, let's give it time to work, so that the whole pastry is well covered with egg and comes to the pan. Sunflower oil or mild olive oil, very hot, and we are going to fry our apple pies on both sides. I recommend that you keep an eye on them because they fry super fast, a minute at most on each side. As you can see, it's already golden, so it's ready. We flip it over. We wait a little bit. And as you can see, in less than 2 minutes, it will be fried. It already smells super good, and the truth is that it looks incredible. I'm going to start taking them out. As you can see, it's golden on both sides, so out it goes. We're going to place them on a paper towel to remove the excess oil. Folks, it's nearly done. Simple as can be, and I promise it's incredibly delicious. Look, what a look. What a snack or breakfast. Like toast with the jam already included. Here we go, let's make our mix. To finish the dish, so sugar, a good amount of powdered cinnamon, don't be stingy. We stir. So it mixes and we get a little bit of everything. And now we have to smear perfectly. Our cakes. There it goes. Ensure there's sugar spread all over using any method you prefer. We're doing it with our hot cakes so that the sugar sticks better, melts, and makes it even more delicious. Alright, I've got the second one ready. This is a piece of cake, friends. The recipe is surprisingly simple and delicious, which caught me off guard. The truth is that they are very good. They are good like this, lukewarm and even cold. They are very good. Come on, the last one and ready, straight to the table. Look at these apple pastries. Simpler, tastier, prettier. To see what golden color. That touch of sugar. And the good thing is that they are here. I'm going to cut one so you can see the inside. So I'm going to assemble these here, and the last one that I have left I'm going to cut. As you can see, it's soft, it's tender, but it doesn't fall apart, and there goes the inside. It has been distributed. That apple cream sweetening the mix of bread, egg and sugar, and the truth is they are very good. Well, look at this. How good do these apple pastries look? These very good apple pastries. They look amazing, as you can see. It's very easy to prepare. Let's try them. They are very good. The mix of that apple that gives it the acidic touch with that egg batter, with the softness of this bread, they are really good. If you enjoyed the recipe, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Activate the bell so it notifies you of my notifications. Give me a super like, and why not follow me on Instagram. An incredible perfect. Very, very good.